Okay, this is part 3 of the, I don't know, I guess it's the Christmas trilogy. And this is driving in the snow. See, the light's green, and I'm going to proceed with caution. See, there's a lot of snowplows out on the road because it's Christmas. Where's Santa's snowplow? Tires are locked up. We are in a skid. Just for your information. Yeah. See, there's people out. Where the hell are they going? I'm gonna go and alright, here we go. Out on the street. We're a little sideways. Not bad. It's all good. Alright, so anyway, this is our journey. So far, pretty uneventful. Red lights suck. Well, of course, don't slide all over the place. Anyway, yeah, this is it. This is what it's all about. I should have brought a sleigh instead of a car. But I'm sure that everything's going to turn out just fine. Always does.